Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I'd like to show you and explain how I make a phone, how I make a dummy phone, or how I make a kid's phone. All we need is one 360 case. I use a very 3G iPhone 3G case, which is got a front and back side, and also the key cover as well. Plus I need just one foam, which I actually will be cut on the shape for this case. You can see it's not hard, it's so simply just cut and follow your instinct. Once you make this foam exactly fit on the back case, you will be just add your front case and just stick together. Add the extra button which I have inside this case, and yeah, that's it. Simply as is. Only this side I need to use the super glue to be sure it's holding on the position. Absolutely amazing kids playing phone, dummy phone, or whatever phone you like it. You can make it if you just buy any 360 case and just print the front and make a nice phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye on my another video, and see you on my another video.